Hello everyone, Georgie here with some exciting new updates to the popular MidOpt Filter Kit lineup. When encountering an issue with your vision applications such as glare, low contrast, interfering ambient light, or another common problem, then finding a solution becomes a critical task. Having a filter kit on hand gives you access to various filters that can help address those issues and ensure your application is going to perform like you need it to. These self-contained kits also allow you to solve issues at the customer site, helping you and your team to provide an amazing experience and become a premier solution provider. Another benefit of having a filter kit is the ability to test the effects of monochromatic illumination. Say you're using a grayscale camera and you're unsure of which wavelength or color light will provide you with the best contrast. Well, then using bandpass filters along with a broad spectrum white light source will have the same effect as having that specific monochromatic light. This amazing feature allows you to test before you invest and efficiently provide a solution for your application. And today, I'm happy to introduce the newest addition to our filter kit lineup, the FK201. The new kit features an upgraded case design, new filters, and other intuitive features that will make it a welcome addition to your machine vision toolkit. The FK201 comes with these M27 threaded filters, along with both step-down and step-up adapters to fit on lenses with M25.5 or M30.5 threads. If the M27 is not an ideal base thread size for your kit, the redesigned case enables you to choose any thread size between M13.25 to M35.5 as your base size. That means you can also create a kit with the MidOpt exclusive 25.4 C-mount thread style, which threads in front of the sensor and behind the lens. The new kit also includes a 1-ounce bottle of professional optics cleaning solution and a microfiber cleaning cloth to help you keep your filters and other optical components clean. If you'd like to learn proper cleaning techniques for your filters, visit the link in the video description to watch a quick tutorial. While the FK201 filter kit comes with the standard 10 filters mentioned, the redesigned case allows you to add 12 additional MidOpt filters with the same thread size. Now you can add these additional filters when you place your order, or you can add them yourself with filters that you already own. If you'd like to order the new FK201 or learn more about MidOpt filter kits, please visit midopt.com or contact your MidOpt account manager. Once again, my name is Georgie, and thank you so much for watching.